In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up phone number OTP login for Shopify store. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. From there, look for Settings, which is usually located in the lower left area of the screen. Click Settings, then find and open Customer Accounts. This section controls how customers create accounts and how they sign into your store, so it is the right place to make login changes. Once you are on the Customer Accounts page, click Edit. This will allow you to change the account experience customers see when they try to sign in or manage their profile. After you click Edit, select Customer Accounts. This setting enables the newer customer account experience that supports a one-time code login flow instead of traditional passwords. Here is what this means in practice. When a customer tries to log in, they enter their email address, and Shopify sends them a one-time verification code. The customer then enters that code to access their account. This is an OTP-style login, but it is typically delivered through email by default, not by SMS. Even so, it is a strong improvement for security because it removes passwords, which are often reused or easy to guess. It also reduces failed logins and password reset requests, which helps customers check out faster and return more easily. At this point, it is helpful to understand how phone numbers fit in. With customer accounts enabled, you can allow customers to link their phone number to an existing account that they already use, such as a Google or Facebook login. That way, customers can keep one account and still add a phone number for contact and identity purposes. Encourage customers to add and confirm their phone number inside their account details after they log in, so it is properly saved to their profile. When you are finished, review the setting one more time to make sure Customer Accounts is selected. Then save your changes if Shopify prompts you to do so. From now on, customers will log in using a one-time code, giving your store a cleaner and more secure sign-in experience. And that covers everything you need to know.